Good morning, YouTube. You sexy mama jammas. No, I love you guys. I don't know. I woke up feeling good. Only reason I can think of is because of y'all. It is now, currently at this point, it's 8:30. We've been on the road about 15, 20 minutes. We just got on, what is this, 287 north? I just saw a sign, we're 106 miles from, what was that damn town in Kansas? Anyway, we are 160 miles from delivery. We'll be there about 11:10, 11:06, 11:15, somewhere. I just talked to them. I said, listen, I'm leaving Fort Worth now. I'll see you here in just a couple hours. I said, make sure that's good for you. He said, yes, sir. Come on down, like the old Bob Barker on The Price is Right. Come on. Come on, Lord. Where the hell did that come from? Jesus Christ. Anyway, yeah, we're going to drop this load off, and we'll shoot the 145 miles over to Oklahoma City, somewhere in that window, just to go find a place to park close. And we'll do our chores, and we'll sit there a couple days. Might even... I think I have people in Oklahoma City, if I remember right. I think I do. I'm going to look at my list of locations and people. But anywho, we're on the road. We're going to go drop this last tractor off. I appreciate you guys for all the support. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for being here today. And let's see what this trucking world has in store for us today, shall we?
Crack a monster, greet the sun. Big blues humming, ready to run.
So when I was seeing those signs saying Wichita Falls, so many miles away, blah 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 blah. I hear Wichita Falls, I'm thinking Kansas. Here I am saying Falls again. Wichita Falls. Wichita Falls. Who knew? Wichita Falls is in Texas. I didn't know. Somebody knew. It wasn't me. Wichita, I'm sure there's a Wichita Falls in Kansas, right? Now that I say it out loud, Wichita Falls, Kansas is an awful lot far. Kansas is awful far away. Kansas is an awfully long way away from me, I think. Yeah, my mind with world U.S. map, yeah, it doesn't compute well. I gotta get over. Yeah, right. This is exit only. I don't want to exit only. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. All right, Wichita Falls, Texas. Who knew? I didn't. Welcome to Frederick, Oklahoma, says the sign back yonder. Easy drive. Got off our exit about 20 miles back, made it right. And, we're a couple miles from the place. This is the big town of Frederick, hey? Frederick. Been stuck behind this slow-ass car for the past 15 minutes. Speed limit 75, they're going 64. And there was a big enough straight stretch for me to pass, but I'm not passing on a 2-lane road. You don't do that in a big truck. Not supposed to, anyway. MFer. Serving Frederick since 2011. See that billboard? MF Farm, Maccabee Farm. MFer. That motherfucker out here in Frederick doing shit. Hey, call MFer. We need a new roof. That MFer, man, he's something else. Well, they got a Sonic. How the hell's Frederick got a Sonic? I ain't seen nothing else. No McDonald's. How they got a Sonic? There's a flatbedder on the side of the road. Blinking. Looks like the next stoplight is our turn. East Gladstone Avenue. Space Shavers. Shaved ice. Good thing that car wasn't in that turn lane no time sooner. I see the big old John Deere sign right there on the left. Where is the ramp? Where do I go for unload? I don't know if I'll go around back. I didn't see where op is. pickups in my way to go that way, so I got to go around here and do a U-E so I can get a line to get through that gap between the freaking pickup and the building. I see a ramp right over there. See a couple of them. All right, let's do this. Right now, trip as completed. BOLs have been uploaded. Departure status is there. Load is now gone off my load list. And now, let's go to Trucker Path, Trucker Path, Trucker Path. A little windy out in these parts, for sure. We're going there. Civic Center Music Hall, Oklahoma City. Two hours, 134 miles. Now, question is, how far are we going to go? Where are we going to stop? Maybe we'll stop. Nope. Damn, man, why are they only 20 spots, man? I need a big truck stop. I need laundry and all that shit. I mean, I guess I could go... That Petro's got 280 spots in Oklahoma City. What's that T? It's a Phillips 66. There's a couple loves along 44 between here and there. They only got like 15 or 20 spots. Do they have the amenities? No showers at that one. No laundry at that one. So that's going to be a big no. What about this other smaller one? In Newcastle, Oklahoma. Showers and laundry here. Showers says too small. I'm looking at notes. I got 5 showers. I'm looking at Q&A. One says showers. An answer was too small. Very nice layout, smaller parking lot, but parking found at 2100 on Monday. Plenty of garbage cans. Store was clean and plenty of food items in stock. Showers were very clean. Fuel desolated. 2 jobs. And a Dunkin' Donuts and a Subway. So I want I spend 2 days in a place like that? Probably won't matter. Is there a Walmart in that area? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to there in Newcastle, Oklahoma, and see if there's a freaking Walmart in that area that would deliver to me. And that only puts us 20 miles away from the Civic Center. Let's try that out. Oh, okay, so we're in Lawton, Oklahoma. I used to like getting those Goodyear loads out of here from Schneider. I had a couple of them. I didn't like staying in Lawton because not many options for parking. None in Lawton, actually. I remember staying at Little Love's some miles away. I think it's where I'm actually going to be getting fuel at because my fuel light's on. So I'm going to stop at this Love's here at 11 miles and get some fuel. And then continue the remaining 60 to the Love's that I plan on stopping at for the couple of days. But hopefully they have a Walmart nearby. They should, right? And the internet connection is pretty good because I plan on, after I get my chores done, I get my chores done first. Then the gaming session. Alright, yeah, Lawton, Oklahoma. This road looked familiar. I was like, what the hell? Then I saw a sign that says, welcome to Lawton. I'm like, okay. Okay. Because you can get up to speed faster than me doesn't mean you're going to drive faster than me, assholes. Watch him cut over in front of me. He's going to slow the fuck down. She thinks I'm at top speed. Yep, now that I'm here, this is the exact truck stop that I stayed at. There's a Sonic right there beside of it in the parking lot. The Burger King across the way, Dollar General. And this fuel island and this front row parking is so close together. Very, very tight. Alright, so we're just gonna get some fuel, use the restroom, and get out of here. Dear Oklahoma DOT, I just got back on 44 from filling up that Love's back yonder at mile marker 45. We're now at 53. So I get back on to valve marker 45, and probably around mile marker 46, 47 or somewhere, there's a big old green sign. It's like it's proudly stating, turnpike maintenance begins. So I'm like they're proudly stating, yeah, we're taking care of our roads for you. Yeah, you pay for this road, we're making sure it's a nice road for you. Tell me why about a quarter mile after that sign, I had flashbacks of I-70 in Indiana. What the hell? Man, the one bridge that I've crossed in the past, well, now I'm at exit 53. The one bridge that I've crossed, oh, there's another bridge. Let's check this one out. My speed limit's 80, by the way, and I'm going, okay, this is the second bridge that I've crossed along the way. Why the hell is your transition to your bridges so damn rough? And your road, it's not smooth. I mean, if you're going to proudly display a sign, turnpike maintenance begins, like you're loud and proud, turnpike maintenance, we're here. Then back and do something. Maintain the road, would you? Oof. On the brighter side of things, I cleared out that assignment in the system at 11:35 or so. It's now 1:02. I got paid about 15 minutes ago. Love that about Mercer. As long as you ain't got no problems with anything. You got your signatures, you got your paperwork, send the pictures in, everything's readable. Boom, bob, bomb, ba bomb, bomb, ba bomb, Bob's your freaking uncle. Paid now. So an hour and a half later, I got paid. We like that. Now to transfer it from my card to my bank, being a Friday, I wouldn't get it in my bank till Monday. So we're gonna hold off until probably Sunday afternoon. Well, we're gonna hold off. Even if we take it in my bank. I don't know if it needs to be over there or not. We'll see. But we are 52 miles away. Oh, other news. Blue turned 180K this morning. He has now 180,092 miles is what he has. I know I'm about 5,000 miles past my PM, so I hope maybe this love's too small. I can't guarantee. I know it's not going to have a speed coat, but maybe there'll be something close by. I need to get him a PM done. But I also need to be in Louisville by the end of November to get my annual, or I guess about 6-month inspection done. I know I don't have to go to Mercer to do it. I can do it any one of their qualified inspection sites out here on the road. But I would prefer Mercer to do it because if there's something wrong, Mercer will find it. And I want to know. Some of you are like, you have a different mindset about that because you only have to go to Mercer once a year. Now, but if I can manage to get a level 1 inspection between now and then, that for the DOT, that level 1 inspection will reset that clock, so I can just go another 6 months without having to go get an annual. So, but I don't want nothing to be wrong with a DOT one. If it's wrong at Mercer, I can go get it fixed next door. Ah, well. All right, so we're 50 miles away from where we plan on parking at the Loves. I don't remember what town it was, but we are going to mile marker 107. It's exit 107 in 50 miles. 49.6 miles. So when we get there, we'll check all the boxes, make sure, in fact, the laundry does work, make sure, in fact, the data connection is good, which it should be, the wide open Oklahoma City area. Make sure there's a Walmart nearby, because I would like to get a Walmart order, and I want to start getting back. I want to get back on the Carnivore Plus. And the plus on Carnivore for me is just adding, like, if I want a salad or something, it's okay, right? So, if I want some broccoli, it's okay. It's not going to be strict carnivore. I know people call it dirty carnivore. I think that just sounds mean. No, Carnivore Plus, baby. So I'm gonna get back on that here soon. I've been saying it for a while, but you got to get yourself mentally there. When you're mentally there, you do it. So that's the idea for me. So anyhow, that's that Love's back here was actually pretty cheap fuel. Now the one we're going to, it's actually cheaper along the route. So I got 50 gallons back there just so I could maintain shower credits and stuff like that. But we'll fill up out of this place before we even leave. And that'll be enough to get us all the way into Columbus, Ohio. So it's only 900 miles. But we also don't want to fill up in Ohio, so I'll probably look for somewhere cheaper before I get over into that area, just to see if I can't get something back out of Ohio without having to buy fuel in Ohio. All right, anyway, let's get 50 miles down the books. You know, I don't ever mention this. I don't push it at all. But I was just driving, thinking. After meeting that guy the other day at John Deere, he shook my hand when he walked up and threw back my title at me. You know, the consequences of oversleeping. And he says, you know, he came to Mercer because of me. Now, and I've met about 3 people in person out here on the wild that said the same very thing. And I talked to 2 different people on the phone on a I don't say regular basis, but we talk on the phone. This came to Mercer because of me. Again, and I don't push it, but I've yet to see a referral. And I got people in the comments saying the same thing. I'm coming to Mercer because of you. But I've yet to get a referral from anybody. So I'm going to ask you this. If you do decide to go to Mercer, I don't push referrals because I think the industry is oversaturated as it is. I don't want to bring anybody new in because I feel like I'm part of the problem. Now, that's just me. That's just me. But if you're in the industry and if you are thinking of Mercer and if you decide to go to Mercer, please use my referral. I'm going to ask you that. I made it very simple. You ain't got to search nowhere on the web. If you're thinking about Mercer and you need it, first thing you got to do is put an application in. And trying to figure out where to put that application in by Googling Mercer is not as simple. You get multiple hits. But the top link in my description is my website. And once you get to my page, right under my page, my opening page video, that first section says click here. It takes you directly to the Mercer Transportation Driver application. But above that, I've written, if you're going to use go to Mercer and I've influenced you in any way, please use my unit number. I put my unit number right there above that button. So I made it simple as hell. Click my link, homepage, click apply, and just use my code in the referral box. That's all I ask. Anyhow, we're here at the Loves, and we are 20 miles from the Civic Center where we got to go on Sunday. I just looked. It's a Walmart 1.2 miles from here, so that's good. It's 2 o'clock or 1:56, and yeah, we're gonna stay here. We got plenty of spots right now. I hope this guy leaves sometime soon because I want to be on the edge. That way I ain't got to worry about both sides. Oh, he's got a fly strip hanging up in his freaking sleeper. I'd be scared the thing gets stuck on me. I mean, I get it. You know, fly gets in your freaking sleeper. All that shit. It takes forever to get rid of one. But yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna take a nap. I don't know if I'm gonna go to sleep or not. I'm gonna stretch out. But I'm gonna do my chores today. I'm gonna go do laundry. Clean out the truck and get back and I'll probably get my Walmart order tomorrow, maybe, or I might just say screw it and just sleep and do my chores tomorrow. But I'm gonna get my chores done before anything that I can take time off and just do whatever the hell I want. Gaming, Borderlands 4. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Hey, be sure to tune in. I guess the next video will be Monday because I don't pick that load up until Sunday night. Night vlogging, y'all. Night vlogging. Okay. I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button as well. If you want to go the extra step, show a little more support, maybe check out the membership options. Thank you so much, guys. Y'all have a good night, and I will see you. It'll probably be Monday for the next video. Yeah. So, have a good weekend, y'all.